Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2012 Chevy Equinox LT all-wheel drive, stock number Z6676A. 88,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Equinox brand new. We also have the service history for it, Cardinal red metallic in color. Equinox is a very safe vehicle. 5-star front and side government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe, and your insurance costs down. Seats 5 with a leather interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. And power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear, with additional storage cubbies on both sides, as well as power outlet. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, upgraded Pioneer sound system, power seat along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof, easy to read gauges with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen MyLink infotainment system, for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. And that is of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for radio, heating and air conditioning, along with heated front seats, 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability, as well as economy mode. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, smartphones. Large glove box with all the auto dimming mirror, power moonroof, and liftgate control. Under the hood, this Equinox has a 2.4 liter, 4-cylinder, 182 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 20 miles to the gallon and a city average of 29 on the highway, and approximately 60% of the tire tread left. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCZ6676A to 66245.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.